In this video, we're going to give you some tips on how to build your new TV stand. A couple of reminders before we get started. One is to have a Phillips screwdriver or optionally a flathead screwdriver that can come in handy. Two is to have a buddy that can really help on some of the steps. And three is just to make sure all of your pieces are facing the right direction as you assemble the piece. And with that, let's get started. Quick disclaimer, these tips don't cover every step. So just make sure you follow the instructions and complete all the steps in order. All right, so on step 6, we have pieces 7 and the 2 6 pieces here in front of us. And when we line them up, we just got to make sure that the 6 pieces are facing the right direction. So there's this little notch on these 6 pieces, and that needs to be facing this way and not this way. Same thing on this side, the notch is facing this way. And it should be good. On steps 7 through 10, we want to remind you to make sure that all of these pieces are facing the right direction. So piece 4 and piece 5 have these grooves lined up and facing this way. And piece 3 here in the back has these cam lock holes facing upwards. As long as you've got all that situated, should be good. In step 16, it can be nice to have a friend to help you put piece number 1 up on top, like this. That's it. Ta-da! All right, so on step 21, when you're attaching the doors, you're gonna take piece M, and we're gonna do this little circle part first. There's 3 screws. Once you have M attached to the piece, it's really nice to have a friend to help hold up the door while you put in the remaining screws, like this. Once you have the door attached to the piece, you're going to take M, and the part of it that screws into the door, you need to make sure that it's facing like this and not like that. And that's important because the door won't close if you don't get that correct. We hope these tips were helpful for you in building your new TV stand. For more guides, tips, and tricks, head on over to walkeredison.com.